All right, so let's take a look and see how we can create watchers and what they are. So watchers are, I'm going to go ahead and expand this. They'll show up here in the bottom right. And essentially, in sort of plain words, what watchers are an easy way for you to see what a variable is while your code is running. So like what number is inside my favorite number? What number is inside my favorite, or what word is inside my favorite food? And you can be able to keep track of all that information and see it as it's going. That way, you don't have to wait until the end result to see what your variables are doing and what numbers are inside them. So, for example, here we've got these two, and if we had another variable, which I don't think we do in this case, we could add another one here and have several watchers on there. So you can feel free to add them or delete them as you're going through, depending on what the instructions are telling you to do. Now, the important thing to notice here is that the watchers will start out as undefined. And the reason for that is I haven't run my code yet. Nothing has happened yet. So the moment that I hit run, you'll notice here that I'm on a slow speed. I'm closer to the turtle. You'll see the numbers start to change as the code to set those variables. So like, for example, we just passed the line where my favorite number is equal to 1 and my favorite food is equal to pizza. So that's why it showed up down here. And so you can see it there. So that's really the important thing. Let me go ahead and show you all how to add these watchers. I'm going to delete the two that already were there. Again, you go down here and you type the word of the name of the variable exactly the same. So no changes in spelling, capitalization, no nothing. So for example, here I can do my favorite number. And then click add. And then I can do my favorite food. And then it's pizza because I've already run the code and we're at the end over here. So that's important to notice. And again, I recommend that if you're using these watchers, keep the speed on slow because then you can see as the lines are moving slowly, like so. For example, you can see the yellow mark for each line of code that's happening. There you go. Then line 2, then line 5, and so on and so forth. You can see it a little bit easier. All right, I hope that's helpful, and I will see you in the next video.